Go and open your book to page 419. This lesson is on how to solve a system of equations. And this one will have three equations, and these are linear equations. So let's go and use some of the problem as example. So let's start with number 2. Again, when you have system of equations, you want to write all the equations side by side. So you have x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 3. And you have 2y plus z equal to 4. And you got z equal to -2. So you got 3 variables, 3 equations you need to solve. So z is already given. So this one is very easy because it's already given. So that's your z already. So what you want to do, you want to go and start to substitute back. So since you already know z, don't substitute into here because you got too many variables. So you substitute into here. And so you're going to get 2y plus -2 equal to 4. And then you plus 2 on both sides. So you got 2y equal to 6. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So y equal to 3. So now you got y. So now you got 2 answers now. So you can substitute back even more. So you can look for x. So you're going to get x plus 2 times 3 plus 2 times -2 equal to 3. So you got x plus 6 minus 4 equal to 3. So you got x plus 2 equal to 3. So minus 2 minus 2. So x equal to 1. So that's your the three variables. Okay. So this one is kind of a bit too easy, but I kind of start off easy, so kind of get you get you going. But the normal equation would be like number 8. So let's go to number 8. So you have x plus 3y plus 2z equal to -1. And then you have -3x minus 2y plus z equal to 3. And you have 2x minus y plus 3z equal to -8. So first thing you need to do is you have to decide what variable you want to eliminate. So what you do is look at through a variable and look for the one usually the one with the lowest number. Okay, and in this case they're all about the same, so it doesn't matter which variable you eliminate. So I'm going to eliminate the z. Okay, so I'm going to eliminate the z. So you can first have to decide what variable you want to eliminate. So I'm going to eliminate the z, and then again there are 3 pairs. You have to choose 2 of the pairs. Okay, so you can choose this pair or this pair or this pair. Doesn't matter. Okay, so again use elimination method. So I'm going to eliminate the z. So first I'm going to use this pair. Okay? So I'm going to multiply this by -2. Right? Again, I'm eliminate the z. So I'm going to multiply this by -2 and put underneath here. So multiply by -2, I get 6x. Multiply by -2, I get plus 4y. Multiply by -2, I get minus 2z. Multiply by -2, so I can equal to -6. Okay, so you have to kind of do that in your head, or you can write it off somewhere. Multiply by -2. Okay, so remind you. So put over here. Then you add each column, so you got 7x plus 7y. Eliminate the z, right? That's what we want to do. Equal to -7, and I'm going to divide by 7 to lower my number. So I get x plus y equal to -1. Okay, so I use up this pair. So I have to use another pair. Okay, again, remember you have to eliminate the z first, right? So I'm going to multiply by -3 and put it over here. So I'm going to multiply by -3 next. Again, I write this over here so to remind myself I multiply by -3. So when I multiply, I get 9x. Multiply, I get plus 6y. Multiply, I get minus 3z. Multiply, I get -9. Okay? So when I add, I get 11x. When I add, I get plus 5y. When I add, I get -17. Okay, so again, I start with 3 equations, 3 variables. I do the elimination method. So now I got 2 equations with 2 variables. Notice I got xy and xy, right? So I eliminate the z. So you go from 3 equations, 3 variables, you eliminate one of the variables, so you got 2 equations, 2 variables with the same variables. Okay, so they have to be the same. You have to have xy and xy. So next, I need to eliminate the next variable. Okay, so I'm going to eliminate the y. Okay, because y has a lower number. So I'm going to eliminate the y. So I'm going to multiply by -5. So I'm going to multiply by -5. So I can write up here. So I remind myself that's why I'm multiplying. So I multiply. So -5x. I use fingers to keep track. So I multiply. So -5y equal to multiply, I get +5. So when I add, I get 6x, cancel out. This will give me -12. Then I divide by 6, So x equal to -2. Okay, so that's one answer. The next one, now I have to go back one step. Don't go all the way back to here to substitute. Okay, you need to go back one level. So you have to go to the one with 2 variables. So you can either use this one, or this one. But this is much easier to substitute, right? So I'm going to substitute back over here. So I get -2 plus y equal to -1. So +2 plus 2. So y equal to 1. So now I got 2 variables done, right? So now I can go back one more level to one of these. So I'm solving for z. Okay, so I got x, I got y, I'm solving for z. Now this one has 3z, this has 2z, this has z. So I'm going to use this one. This would be much easier to do. So I'm going to use this one down here. Okay, so I get -3 times x minus 2 times y plus z equal to 3. Okay, so I'm going to use this equation over here. So I get 6 minus 2 plus z equal to 3. So this is 4. So I'm going to, so 4 plus z equal to 3. So -4 minus 4. So z equal to -1. Okay. Okay. Now let me double check, make sure it's correct. Okay. Okay, so when you get to something like number 18, okay, you have 1 over r plus 3 over s minus 2 over t equal to 1. And then you have 2 over r plus 3 over s minus 4 over t equal to 1. And then you have 1 over r minus 6 over s minus 6 over t equal to 0. So these are reciprocal equations. So what you need to do is you want to let x equal to 1 over r, y equal to 1 over s, and z equal to 1 over t. Okay, so you need to do that first. So this becomes x plus 3y minus 2z equal to 1. This one becomes 2x plus 3y minus 4z equal to 1. This one becomes x minus 6y minus 6z equal to 0. Okay? And then from here, you're going to solve for x and the y and the z. So you're going to go through the steps of elimination method, and you're going to get you're going to get x equal to -1, y equal to 1 over 3, and z equal to -1 over 2. So you can solve for x, y, and z. So once you solve for x, y, and z, you have to substitute this back. Okay? So you're going to get 1 over r equal to -1, 1 over s equal to 1 over 3, and you got 1 over t equal to -1 over 2. And then from here you can flip it upside down, so r equal to -1, and flip upside down, or you can do the matching, s equal to 3, and flip upside down, so t equal to -2. Okay? So that's what you need to do. You have to do this to make your equation easy, and then okay, so you have to flip this over, okay, and solve, and up to that you substitute back and flip it over. Okay, so you got -1, 3, and -2. Okay. Okay, so let's go and do some practice.